Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
In previous parts, we mastered the number line. Today we are going to look at decimal phase of rational number. Here, 7 is dividend and 8 is divisor. Since 7 is smaller than 8, we put decimal point in quotient and add 0 to 7, make it 70. Then 8 into 8 is 64. Remainder is 6. Then add 0 to make it 60. Then 8 into 7, 56. Remainder is 4. Add 0 to make it 40. Then 8 into 5 is 40. Then remainder is 0. So 7 upon 8 is equal to 0.875. Since division ends, we call this is terminating decimal. Example 2, non terminating case. Example is 1 by 3. As 1 is dividend and 3 is divisor, so 1 is less than 3, then put a decimal point and add 0 to 1 making it 10. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Remainder is 1. Then add 0 to make it 10. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Then remainder is again 1. This will go on forever. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.333 and so on. So we can write this as 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.3 bar. This is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. This is your terminating decimal case and this is your non-terminating repeating decimal. Here is a secret trick to impress your teachers. Look at denominator. If there is prime factors of denominators are only 2, multiple of 2, multiples of 5 or both. 2's, 5 or both. Which means multiple of 2 and multiple of y or both. Then the case is terminating. Then the decimal are terminating. Example 7 upon 8. 8 is a multiple of 2. 8 is equal to 2 cube. Then it is a terminating. If there is any other prime numbers like 3, 7 or 11, then it will non-terminate. So next question is, what can be maximum number of digits be in repeating block of digits in decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? So we divide. As 1 is less than 17, then we put decimal point and put 0. But 10 is also less than 17, then we put 0 on quotient and put 0 to make 100. Then 17 into 5 is 85. Then remainder will be 15. Then put 0 to make it 150. And 17 into 8, that is 136. Remainder is 14. put 0, then again 17 8, the 136, then again remainder is 40, then 17 into 2 is 34, remainder is 6, then put 0, then 17 3, 17 into 3 is 51, then remainder is 9, then 90, then 17 5, 17 into 5 is 85, remainder is 5, put 0 to make it 50, then 17 into 2 is 34, remainder is 16, then put 0 to make it 160, then 17 into 9 is 153, remainder is 7, then put 0 to make it 70, then 17 into 4 is 68, remainder is 2 make and put 0 to make 20, then 17 into 1 17, remainder 3, put 0 to make 30, then again 17 into 1 is 17, then remainder is 13, put 0 to make 130, then 17 into 7 is 119, then remainder is 11, put 0 to make 110, then 17 into 6 is 102, remainder 8, put 0 to make 80, then 17 4, 17 into 4 is 68, remainder is 12, put 0, I will write on, then 17 7, 17 into 7 is 119, रिमाइंडर इज 1। अब हमने जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था 1 से स्टार्ट किया था एंड रिमाइंडर इज 1, देन वी ऑब्जर्व रिमाइंडर start repeating after, so we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 after 16 divisions. So your homework is express this rational number as decimal. Question is 327 upon 500 and tell me the answer in comments. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. In part 4, we will learn the reverse, how to turn 0.333 back into fraction.